And this is what you want, y'all. This is what you want. Fried pork chop sandwich. Hey y'all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. I'm back at y'all with another great video. Today, y'all, we're gonna make pork chop sandwiches. Just not pork chops. We're gonna make it into a sandwich. In order to make a pork chop sandwich, I'm gonna go over you what you would need. Of course, you would need some pork chops. I just got a small little pack for the channel today. So yeah, you would need some pork chops. You would need, this is all my seasoning, y'all. I'm gonna use onion powder, garlic powder. I'm gonna use the rest of my lemon pepper in here. I got some paprika. I got some Creole seasoning and some, and don't y'all be laughing at this. Now, I know this is ridiculous. What happened is, I be cooking and I leave it on the stove and the stove get hot, but it is Lawry's and it is seasoning salt. So yeah, I'll get more when that's gone. All right, and then of course you will need some flour. You will need some vegetable oil. And then over here, y'all, got some lettuce, onion, and some bread. So first thing we're going to do, y'all, is wash our pork chops, and then we're going to season them, and then we're going to fry them. Let's get to it. Oh, y'all, I forgot the secret ingredient. Mustard. Yeah, this is the secret ingredient. I almost forgot. But yeah, you will need some mustard too. All right. So we got our pork chops all rinsed out, y'all. What I'm doing now is just getting the excess water out here. These are our pork chops, nice and clean. Still got excess water. All right, and I want to pat them dry just a little bit. All right, y'all. So we got our pork chops clean. We're going to go ahead and go down with the seasonings. I'm going to use the Lawry's first. This is Lawry's. I know it don't look like it. We're going to go down with our Lawry's. Just going to put that in there like that. And season to your discretion. And you don't have to use all these seasonings. You can use 2 seasonings. You can use 1 seasoning. Use whatever you like. Whatever seasoning you like. This is just what I put on mine. If you want yours to taste like mine, this is what you'll use. And I say about a tablespoon of each. So I put my, got the Lawry's in there. I got some onion powder. We're going to add the garlic powder. Then we're going to add the rest of this lemon pepper. Then we got some paprika. Go down with some paprika. We're going to go down with some Tony's Creole. Just a little bit of that because we did put Lawry's in there. And then we're going to go down with the mustard. Just like that, y'all. Then I'm going to give me some gloves to mix. All right, so this is what it looked like with all our seasonings, our mustard. I got my handy dandy glove on, and we're just going to give it a mix, just like this. Mix it all up. Now, when you fry this, y'all, you will not taste the mustard. The mustard is like a binding for the pork chops. You are not going to taste the mustard, and you're not going to see the mustard. Ooh, almost lost it. And this is what you want it to look like after you're done. If it don't look like this, add you a little bit more seasoning. But this is what you want it to look like. Just like that, y'all. Season to perfection. All right, y'all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the stove. We're going to add our vegetable oil, let that get hot, and we're going to fry it. All right, y'all. We're going to turn our oven to a high heat, and we're going to add our vegetable oil. This is about how much oil you will need. What's that, about 2 inches, an inch? Use to your discretion. You know how much oil you need to fry your pork chops. If you don't know how much oil you need, I would say about an inch. You want it covering the bottom and a little bit. So I would say about 2 inches of grease. Just like this, y'all. Then boom. All right, so we're going to wait on this to get hot. While this is getting hot, this is when you go down with your flour. You just go ahead and pour it on top. I'm only cooking 3 pork chops, so we're going to do it all in the same bowl. You pour your flour in there, and then you mix it. You want that flour to be coated all over the pork chop. So then you'll just do it like this, y'all. You just want to make sure everything is coated in the flour, just like that. This is what you want, right? Oh, shoot, I'm making a mess, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, so we got our pork chops covered. And what we're going to do now, y'all, is wait on the grease to get hot. Once the grease is hot, I will show y'all when you know the grease is ready. Once it get hot, we're going to throw our pork chops in there. We're going to cook them on each side for about 5 minutes. We want a nice crunchy pork chop. So we're going to cook it on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. And we're just waiting on our grease to get hot. How you know your grease is hot enough is you take a little bit of your flour and just drizzle it. And this let us know that it is not ready. When it start dancing in the grease, that's how you know it's ready. And I'm gonna show y'all in just a moment. So just give us just a few moments, let this grease get hot, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I think our grease is ready. We're gonna check. Again, you just get some flour. Y'all see that? Y'all see how it's dancing? That let us know that our grease is ready. So then we just go down with the pork chops, y'all. Just wanna drop it. Just wanna drop it in the grease, just like that. Shake off that excess flour. This is what you want right here, y'all. That's what you want. If your pork chops is not sizzling like this when you put it in there, your grease is not hot enough. You want to make sure your grease is extremely hot before you drop your meat in there. As you can see, our grease is hot. It's frying. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Again, y'all, we're going to cook them on each side for 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to flip them. And we'll take it from there. Be right back. This is what you want right here. Beautiful already. Look at it. Y'all see it? This is what you want. Hold on, y'all. Stop the bus. Do y'all like this channel so far? If y'all see me networking, y'all see me cooking in the kitchen, working hard, make sure you subscribe. And also make sure you like the video. Because I'm in the kitchen cooking up some good stuff for y'all. And I need y'all, and y'all need me. So let's just come together and just make this happen. All right, y'all, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's what you want right there, man. This is what you want. Nice and golden. That one, the grill. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we're gonna let this fry for about 5 minutes on this side. And we'll be back. Making fried pork chops. And we're going to make a sandwich, y'all. Because who just want a plain pork chop? No, we need some hot sauce on that thing. Some onions, some lettuce. So y'all don't see it. I'm going to flip them again. It's been cooking on this side for about 5 minutes. I'm going to flip it again. Now, if you're frying pork chops and you like how these look right here, you can go ahead and take them out because they're technically done. Again, I like my food to be all the way done, and I want it to have a nice crunch on it. So I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. So I say let it cook for about 10 minutes on each side. Just keep flipping it until you get that nice golden consistency that you're looking for. Again, to some people, this is done. So if you think this is done in your eyes, you can go ahead and take it and put it on. I got me a plate with a napkin to catch all the grease. You can go ahead and take yours off. Mine, y'all see, when I'm done frying them, how I want mine to look. So I done flipped them over again. I'm going to let them go for about 4 to 5 more minutes. And I'm going to flip them one more time. And then we'll take them out. I want to make sure that they are thoroughly cooked, nice and crispy. I don't want no soft, soggy pork chop. Don't nobody want that. Don't nobody want that. Just throw that in the trash. You want it to be crunchy and well done, crisp. That's what you want. And it also depends on the skillet you're using too. If I had a cast iron skillet, the pork chops will cook completely different and they'll look completely different too. But unfortunately, I have a cast iron skillet, but it's so small, I can only probably cook like 2 pork chops at a time, and ain't nobody got time for that. So we don't use this. So when you're using a non-stick pot like this, it take a little longer to get that consistency you want. But it's okay. We make it do with what we got, y'all. Make it work with what you got. Make it till you make it. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna brown my toast. Now this is just how I like to brown my toast, y'all. I like to melt the butter and then put the bread in there. If you don't feel like doing all that, because this is a quick, fast, easy recipe, you can't just throw them in the toaster and be done. But I like the butter taste. It really gives it a different taste when you grill your bread over the butter, opposed to just throwing it in the toaster. So, but again, if you on the move and you ain't even got to toast the bread at all. And for a good pork chop sandwich, you could just eat it just like this. You don't want to toast it, don't toast it. I just want to make it nice and pretty and beautiful for my channel, so that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and let this melt, and then I'm going to put the bread in there, let that brown. Then our pork chops will be coming up any moment, and then we're going to go ahead and plate this. And we're going to show y'all how to make a delicious pork chop sandwich. Stay tuned. We got our butter about melted. We're going to go ahead and just drop the bread right in there just like that. And excuse this, y'all. Y'all know I be in this kitchen cooking. And I was messing with my oven, and this part done hit the top of the oven. I didn't even know the top of the oven got hot. I thought you had to turn on boil for that to get hot. But anyway, my hand went up, and it's ugly. Y'all probably seen it a little earlier, but yeah, it's ugly, so I figured I'd cover it up. All right, y'all, we got that going. We're going to go ahead and pull our pork chops up. Pork chops been cooking probably all together about 10 to 15 minutes, y'all. And you just take it out, and you want to put it on a plate with a paper towel to catch that grease. This is what you want, though, y'all. Turn our grease off. Or if you have a rack, you can also take them out and put them on a rack as well. But this is what you want, y'all. This is what your fried pork chop should look like. We lost a little bit of our batter, but it's okay. We lost a little bit of the skin, but it's okay. They still look beautiful. All right, y'all. So we got our pork chops cooked. We're going to take this off the burner. All right, y'all. So we're just waiting on our toast to get done. Go ahead and flip it, just like that. Let them cook on each side for about 2 minutes, y'all. And then, boom, you got you some good toast. All right, y'all. So our pork chops is done. We got our bread done. We're going to go over here, and we're going to plate it. I'm going to show y'all how I plate it. And we're going to give it a taste. And there you have it. Fried pork chop sandwich. Gourmet style. CHELL'S way. CHELL'S kitchen. This is what you want. Don't look like this. Throw it in the trash. Okay, y'all, let's plate it. So we got our toast here. We're going to pick a pork chop. I picked this one. I'm going to go down with some Louisiana hot sauce, y'all. And there ain't really no pork chop sandwich. You ain't got no hot sauce on there. So we're just going to put some hot sauce on there like that. And we're going to add our onions. Oh, these onions are strong, y'all. Onions. And then our lettuce. Got some Louisiana on there. Y'all, my eyes are watering from them onions. Them onions are strong, girl. Look at my eyes, y'all. It's from the onions. Strong onions. All right, y'all. There you have it. We got a fried pork chop sandwich. This thing look amazing. We got our sourdough toast. Y'all remember when we made the Philly cheesesteaks? Well, we still have sourdough toast left over from that. And y'all know what I say. Waste not, want not. We're going to use that bread, baby. So this is the rest of the sourdough toast from the Philly cheesesteaks I made. We have some lettuce on there. Fresh white onions. Got some Louisiana hot sauce. This sandwich right here, y'all. If you had a pork chop sandwich before then, you kind of know what it tastes like. And this is what you want, y'all. This is what you want. Fried pork chop sandwich. I want to thank you all so much for watching today. It's been my pleasure. Make sure if you haven't liked, comment, and subscribe, please do so for me. Thank you so much for watching CHELL'S Kitchen. I will be back at y'all with another great video tomorrow. Tune in. Can't wait to see you.